Hey guys, so after the last comparison test of the AtmosFX screens, I got a lot of requests to show the transparency of each screen. So I set this up as a best case scenario since the brighter the lighting behind the screen, the more transparent it's going to look. It's the same order as before. You have the shower curtain, the sheer curtain, the chiffon, and then the Hollusion material. I hope this makes it abundantly clear that while the shower curtain is a great material for a window projection in a dark area, it does make it completely unusable for trying to do an illusion of ghosts floating in the middle of your yard with backdrops behind it. The rest of the materials all seem to work to varying degrees. Now remember, when you use darker lighting or even colored lighting, the projections are going to show up better, but the scenery behind the backdrop isn't going to be as clear. So I hope this helps. I hope it helps everyone make their decision on what they're going to use. We plan on using the Hollusion material simply because to our eyes it seems the best for projecting ghosts in the middle of our yard. I hope the video was useful. If you liked it, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe below.